Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I'm going to teach you how to use capacitor on TinkerCAD, how capacitors charges and how it discharges, and also we can check it by using of LED. Okay, so let's get started. So firstly open your Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, search for TinkerCAD. After searching for TinkerCAD, CAD, log into your account. Once you log into your account, go to create option and open circuits. After opening for a circuit, just here give name for your project as capacitor, press enter. Then here going components, please select all components. Firstly search for breadboard, take one breadboard. Then search for capacitor, take one capacitor. Then search for one, take one LED. Now we will search for battery for supplying power. We search for battery, take 9 volt of battery, rotate battery properly, take it here, connect the positive terminal of the battery to the positive side, that is positive rail, connect negative terminal to the negative rail. As we are using LED, we will need resistor. To take resistor, connect one leg of the resistor to the rotate resistor, connect one leg of the resistor to the negative of LED, that is cathode. Connect another leg of the resistor to the negative of battery. Okay. Now for operating capacitor properly, for checking its charging and discharging, we will need switch. If we didn't use switch, we can't check it working properly. It will just get turn and turn off. Means we will have to stop simulation. We can't check it simulation virtually, but in real life we can check it without switch also. But for simulation, we will need one switch. So here we will use slide type of switch. Take this switch, rotate it. Now you will see in this switch three terminals are there: terminal A, terminal B, terminal C. Terminal A, common terminal, common terminal 2. Okay. And just connect terminal 2 to the anode terminal of LED, or we can shout positive terminal of LED. Connect terminal 1 to the positive of battery. And this common terminal is there. Connect this common terminal to the one terminal of capacitor, that is terminal 1 or terminal 2, to any terminal you can connect. Okay. And connect another terminal of capacitor to the negative. So this terminal we will connect to negative of battery. Now let's search for multimeter. What is multimeter? Multimeter is one digital device on which we can check the value of voltage, current or resistor. So this is multimeter. We will take multimeter. This is positive of multimeter. This is negative of multimeter. Just connect positive of multimeter to this terminal 2 where we connect the common terminal of switch, and connect negative of multimeter to the another terminal of capacitor, that is terminal 1. Okay, that's it, our connection. Now we will start our simulation. After starting our simulation, you can check that maximum voltage of our battery is 9 volt. So our capacitor get fully charged and it's showing 9 volt of battery. As we will turn this off, turning this switch off means cutting off power supply. So as we will turn this switch off, power supply will get cut, and you can see our capacitor is getting low. Its value is getting low. See here you can see from 9 volt it directly came to, you can see decreasing more and more, and it will go till 0 millivolt. Its value will get decreased slowly. Okay. Now we can stop simulation and we can check value of resistor also. Here we can take 100 kilo ohm, and here for capacitor this is a nanofarad. Now we can check here microfarad, and we will start take our simulation. Again you can see it is 9 volt. As we will turn this switch off, you can see now it will slowly get discharged. And you can see this LED is little glow. Why it is little glow? Because capacitor already has stored energy. Otherwise, if we will use switch, you will see that as we will turn off switch, LED will get off. But in this case, it's not happening. After turning switch off also, our LED is glowing because our capacitor has stored energy. It is storing some amount of energy. You can see here it is storing nearly 2 volt of energy. So that 2 volt is supplying to the LED, and as LED working, as this voltage will get low, our LEDs will slowly get dim and it will stop working. You can see starting its value was 9 volt, and slowly as voltage is getting decreased, it's nearly came to 1.5 volt. As you will again switch on switch, our LED voltage get increased. You see it from 1 it jumped to something 8.7 and it suddenly jumped to 9. Before, when its capacitor is 100 microfarad, before you saw when its value was 100 nanofarad, that time it directly jumped to millivolt. That was so much low voltage, so our LED was also not working. Okay, now you can change this value to 1 nanofarad. You can check that also. After you will change to that, let's check our simulation what will happen. It happened like this. We will again turn it off. We can see slowly its value getting low and LED little dim. As voltage went below 1.3 volt, our LED get off. Okay, understand? Now let's come on summary of today. What we learn today. So today what we learn, how to use capacitor with LED and how to connect it on TinkerCAD. So we open TinkerCAD, we search for component like breadboard, battery, capacitor, LED, resistor. This is called a slash switch. This is multimeter. So basically, multimeter is a digital device which will check values of current, voltage, and resistor. Capacitor are two terminal, terminal one, terminal two, slide switch, side switch also have two terminal, terminal one, common terminal, and terminal two. So firstly, take battery, connect positive terminal to a positive rail, connect negative terminal to the negative rail. Then we took LED. We connected a resistor to the LED, that is one end of the resistor to the negative terminal, and another end of the resistor we supply a negative supply. Later we took switch. We to that one terminal we apply positive supply. Another terminal we connect to the positive of LED, and common terminal we connected to the one terminal of capacitor. Then on the another terminal of capacitor we apply negative voltage. Later we took multimeter and we connect positive of the multimeter to the one terminal of capacitor where we apply common of switch, and we connect another terminal of the multimeter to the capacitor terminal where we supply negative terminal. And after starting simulation, we can see voltage is getting increased. As we will turn off switch, our LED will get low and voltage will get decreased. After certain value, our LED will also stop glowing because it will not get proper amount of voltage how much it needs. Okay. So you can see the charging and discharging. This is the charging of LED, and this is called as discharging of LED. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.